A lot of people think they know what women want from men, but let's be real, there's a whole lot of misinformation out there. I mean, we've all heard things like women are complicated or women are hard to understand, but the truth is, men and women are just wired differently, and that's okay. In fact, understanding those differences is key to building stronger, happier relationships. When it comes to relationships, one of the biggest challenges we face is communication, or rather, the lack thereof. See, men and women communicate in different ways, and that's where a lot of frustration comes in. Men tend to be more direct and to the point, while women are more emotional and contextual. And when these two worlds collide, things can get messy quickly. Take, for example, a situation where a woman wants her partner to be more emotionally expressive. She might be thinking, "Why can't he just open up and talk to me?" Meanwhile, he's thinking, "What's the big deal? I'm fine. Let's just move on." So, what are some of the specific behaviors that drive women crazy? Well, one of the biggest ones is when a man doesn't communicate his feelings or needs. Women want to know what's going on inside that head of yours, guys. They want to feel like you're on the same team, working together to solve problems and overcome challenges. And when you don't communicate, it can make them feel like they're alone in the relationship. Another big one is when a man doesn't remember important details. Like, if your partner tells you something important, make sure you remember it. It might not seem like a big deal to you, but trust me, it matters to her. It shows that you care about what she's saying and that you're making an effort to understand her. The truth is, women want to feel understood, they want to feel heard, and they want to feel seen. And when men can provide that, it's like a weight has been lifted off their shoulders. So, guys, take note. It's not about being perfect. It's about making an effort to understand and communicate with your partner. So, to sum it all up, communication is key when it comes to avoiding those frustrating behaviors that drive women crazy. By being more emotionally expressive, actively listening, and making an effort to understand your partner, you can build a stronger, happier relationship. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below. Have you ever been driven crazy by your partner, or have you ever driven them crazy? Let me know in the comments.